This video was made possible by NordVPN. Click the link below and get an exclusive deal with a huge discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee. What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the amazing tools that you'll like on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 4. GoMist. Elevate your hydration experience with GoMist's patented personal misting technology. This innovative bottle delivers an instantaneous burst of cooling mist, capable of reducing the air temperature by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit (16.7 degrees Celsius). Whether you're enduring scorching summer days or engaging in rigorous workouts, GoMist provides refreshing relief. The safety feature ensures the misting system auto-shuts off after 1 minute to conserve drinking water. You can tailor the intensity with 2 distinct misting speeds for your ultimate comfort, effortless hydration, anytime, anywhere. Designed for efficiency, GoMist features a wide-mouth easy drink spout, allowing you to effortlessly quench your thirst without any interruptions. It keeps your water cold for up to 24 hours, ensuring that you always have a refreshing drink at hand. Say goodbye to struggling with caps or straws, just enjoy a smooth, revitalizing sip on demand. Hydration has never been simpler, no matter where you are. Empowered by swift USB-C charging, the GoMist bottle is equipped with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, ensuring you stay misted and ready for action for extended periods. With swift USB-C charging, the GoMist bottle is always prepared to provide a surge of refreshing ultrafine mist whenever you need it. Keep the energy flowing and conquer your day with confidence. Durability meets elegance, meticulously crafted from top-grade 304 stainless steel and featuring state-of-the-art double-wall insulation. The GoMist bottle guarantees to keep your water refreshingly cold for up to 24 hours. The marine teal finish not only adds a dash of elegance but also complements your vibrant lifestyle with a touch of sophistication. Extreme Mist understands the cooling power of mist better than anyone. We offer a personal cooling catalog filled with innovative, easy-to-carry items, including backpacks, water bottles, and portable misting kits. These essentials are perfect for individuals who enjoy venturing. Number 3. Graco SmartSense. The Graco SmartSense Soothing Baby Bassinet is a state-of-the-art newborn bassinet designed to provide immediate comfort and a safe sleep environment for babies from newborn to 6 months. This smart bassinet detects and automatically responds to your baby's cries, ensuring that your little one receives the soothing care they need. Innovative soothing technology. Graco SmartSense features innovative technology that automatically responds to your baby's cries, providing immediate comfort. This automatic response system helps soothe your baby quickly, making it easier for both you and your baby to enjoy peaceful nights. Customizable soothing combinations. With thousands of combinations of white noise, vibrations, rocking, and swaying, the Graco SmartSense allows you to customize the soothing experience to perfectly suit your baby's needs. This versatility ensures that you can find the right combination to calm your baby effectively. Safe sleep environment. The Graco SmartSense creates an immersive space that pairs sound and motion to provide a safe and comforting sleep environment for your baby. This thoughtful design helps your baby feel secure and promotes better sleep. Bluetooth enabled. The bassinet is Bluetooth enabled, allowing you to stream your own songs or sounds directly from your device. This feature gives you the flexibility to play your baby's favorite lullabies or any other soothing sounds that they enjoy. Breathable design. The mesh sides of the Graco SmartSense bassinet allow for optimal airflow, ensuring your baby's comfort and safety. The breathable design also provides visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your baby at all times. Aesthetic appeal. With a sleek aesthetic and beautiful wood grain finish, the Graco SmartSense bassinet fits seamlessly with your home's decor. Its stylish design ensures that it not only provides functional benefits but also enhances the look of your living space. Organic sheet bonus. Number 2. Oilvent. Oilvent is a portable range hood that combines oil fume extraction and splash protection, revolutionizing kitchen ventilation for households. Compared to traditional range hoods, Oilvent requires no installation, is easy to clean, operates quietly, and is lightweight and portable. This makes it an ideal choice for those seeking an efficient and hassle-free kitchen ventilation solution. Superior grease removal efficiency. Traditional range hoods often have their performance influenced by factors such as installation height and shape, typically achieving a grease removal efficiency of around 75%. Oilvent, on the other hand, tackles the issue at its core due to its close proximity to the source. Boasting a grease removal efficiency of over 90%, enhanced air quality, scientific research indicates that the concentration of cooking fumes during cooking usually reaches several milligrams per cubic meter or even higher. Efficient kitchen ventilation and a good ventilation system can significantly reduce the concentration of cooking fumes to just a few milligrams per cubic meter or even lower. By filtering cooking fumes, the steel mesh and activated carbon sponges in Oilvent effectively remove airborne particles and organic pollutants, enhancing indoor air quality and reducing potential health impacts on residents. Customizable airflow control. Oilvent features a 3-speed airflow control. Number 1, TELLO. TELLO stands out with its remarkable airflow process, leveraging the principles of aircraft jet engines through its innovative dual-fan brushless DC (BLDC) motor. Inspired by the efficiency of jet propulsion systems, this technology allows the air circulator to collect air from the back and compress it forcefully, similar to the high-pressure airflow dynamics observed in aircraft jet engines. This results in a powerful discharge that ensures optimal air circulation throughout your space. Dual-fan BLDC motor. The compact yet powerful dual-fan BLDC motor not only reduces noise and heat emission but also guarantees exceptional durability, promising a prolonged lifespan. Worries about motor overheating are a thing of the past, as TELLO is engineered to minimize hot airflow during extended usage, ensuring reliable performance and peace of mind. Innovative dual-fan system. The dual-fan BLDC motor of TELLO features an innovative dual-fan system that excels in both air intake and expulsion, dynamically enhancing its role in air circulation. Unlike conventional single-fan circulators, TELLO's dual-fan configuration generates a more powerful airflow, ensuring a more efficient and effective air circulation throughout the space. Advanced air compression. At the core of TELLO's functionality is its dual-fan ability to amplify and compress air for maximum strength. Through the double airstreams intake, each fan independently processes incoming air, amplifying its force before compressing it for discharge. This mechanism creates high-pressure cylindrical flows extending beyond the device, pulling surrounding air along their path to create a natural circulation effect. The TELLO's dual BLDC fan system sets a new standard for efficiency and effectiveness in air circulation technology, ensuring maximum air strength and coverage for cooling or air quality improvement in any space. Impressive airflow reach. But that's not all. The dual FA